You might think a baby will be made in a factory. Not just one or two, but 30,000 perfect children will be created together. Like chickens and ducks, humans will be made in factories. Because the first human baby-making factory is about to be built, this baby will be born without a father or a mother. What kind of baby do you want? You can get whatever you want. You can customize your favorite child to your liking. From boy to girl, black to white, short to tall, you will find all kinds of children in that factory. You can even order unprecedented children if you want. But how long will it take to make this baby? How much will it cost? And where is this strange factory located? The days of slowly building a child with the blood and flesh of one's own womb may be over in the future. The umbilical cord between mother and child is about to end. Mother's womb will no longer be needed to give birth to a child. The child will grow artificially. The baby will be born in the laboratory without the mother's body. He will be perfectly healthy. There will be no defects in the body. Parents can change the color and appearance as they wish. He will have no disease. The baby will not have to fight to be born. Researchers will show the light of the world directly from the artificial womb. And intelligence will be sharp. Thousands of children will be born simultaneously in the factory. The embryo will be grown in an artificial womb. 30,000 children will be born together in the laboratory. Although everything is artificial, everyone has a question in mind. What will the baby-making factory be like? More than 400 artificial wombs or baby growth pots are in more than 75 laboratories. The round glass box-like device is the womb where the embryo will be implanted. Artificial intelligence will control these boxes. Unconventional energy or solar energy, wind energy will power the boxes, so there is no chance of power disconnection. In the IVF method, the embryo is formed by the combination of the mother's egg and the father's sperm. Instead of implanting that embryo in the mother's womb, it will be placed in that artificial womb. Then the child will grow up there. There will be two types of bioreactors to provide the necessary nutrition to the baby. One will deliver the necessary nutrients to the baby's body. The other will collect the waste. There will be two cable-like wires attached to each baby's pod in the bioreactors. Now you may feel that the baby is not feeling its mother. While in the mother's womb, the baby hears the mother's voice in the womb. After birth, he recognizes his mother by hearing this voice. In response to this question, scientists say that even though they will not get the touch of the mother's body, there will be a system in the baby pod so that the baby can hear the mother's voice. If necessary, the mother can record her voice and play it to the baby. You can play your favorite song or your own singing or poem to the baby. Every time the baby moves in the baby pod, a video of the feeling of touch will be captured. Later, it will be shown to the parents. A 360-degree camera will be attached to the baby pod from which the mother can easily watch the baby's movements from home every moment. They will feel his breathing. There will be an artificial umbilical cord in the baby pod. Amniotic fluid will come out of the artificial womb during delivery. Then the child will be born. The whole process is in the research lab, or parents can watch from home. A healthy baby will be born without labor pain. What color do you want? What will the baby's hair be like? What will be the color of his eyes? Scientists will create whatever you want. By changing the gene sequence with CRISPR-Cas9 editing, the baby's complexion, hair type, and eye color can all be changed. Genetic engineers will be waiting for orders. Parents can customize the baby's weight, height, and mind. No sick or premature babies will be born in this factory. With the help of artificial intelligence and genetic engineering, scientists will change the arrangement of genes. The baby will be completely healthy, disease-free, and the possibility of genetic diseases will be cured in advance. The baby will be super intelligent. Parents will fill the baby's brain with as much talent as they want. There will be no slight defects in body, mind, and intelligence. The baby will also be very strong. But when will this baby be available, right? Actually, you have to wait a few more days to get this baby. Because recently, molecular biologist Hashem has just published an animation video of this plan. There he claimed that it is possible to build such a research lab in the future. The name of his research lab is Ectolife. He is trying to create such a laboratory where parents can give birth to children in artificial pride. In the age of 3D technology and robotics, it is possible to achieve such impossible feats by giving artificial intelligence a boost. There will be no umbilical cord with the mother, but the child will be able to hear and feel the mother. Ectolife's artificial womb laboratory is still in the planning stage. The potential structure of the research and its technology. Scientists have come up with a possible video of all the methods of raising a child in an artificial womb. Scientist Hashem Al-Ghaili has claimed this. And after hearing this claim, maybe many people are thinking that scientists say so many things, but is everything true or not? For those who think so, I am saying, already, human embryos have been created artificially in the laboratory. Human embryos have been born without sperm, without eggs, and without fertilization. Scientists have done what was beyond imagination. Researchers have created the initial form of the cell that will grow in the mother's womb and take the form of a human baby. In simple words, the process of artificially creating humans has started in the first step. Researchers at Monash University in Australia. The news of this research has been published in the journal Nature Science. In scientific terms, it must be said that they have created an artificial embryo, or blastocyst. Human body parts will be made from this blastocyst. Let me explain the matter. Scientists have done this experiment in two ways. 1. First, they rearranged the genetic structure of human skin cells. 2. That is, by genetically reprogramming, that cell has been given the initial appearance of an embryo. Researchers have given the embryo exactly the same shape, that round shape. And this cell looks exactly like the human embryonic cell blastocyst. Now the question is, what is blastocyst? Simply put, blastocyst is the Adi cell that makes tonnopai animals, that is, human embryos.